Hey everybody, today we're drawing Sonic.EXE Shadow Generations. Let's start with the eyebrows. Let's draw two little curves and continue the eyebrow to the left and to the right. Next, draw the outside of the eye, starting from the top. In the middle is the nose in the shape of a circle. Two curves for the pupils, also on the right and left. And finish the corners of the eyes. Next, we draw the mouth line. I decided to make it like this. A little below the mouth, at the same distance as the nose, put a point. This will be the border of Sonic's chin. Now draw the eyebrow, on the right and on the left, and the interbrow crease, and the wrinkles above the nose as he frowns. Draw the ears, left and right, and the little triangles in the ears. Now the spikes on the head, two curves on the right and left, then two curves above the head. Then we draw the spikes on the sides. One big spike on the right, it consists of two curves, short and long, and one on the left. Draw more spikes, on the right and on the left. Repeat my movements. Next, the chest. Sonic's chest is hairy, so we'll draw it like I'm showing you. It's right below the chin. Two curves for Sonic's torso, on the left and on the right. Don't worry if it turns out a little uneven. We can fix it when coloring. Let's move on to the legs. A small line that will connect two legs, and then draw the leg on the right and on the left. Arms. We start with two short lines on the right and left for the shoulders, as I show. Then draw the right fist and connect it to the shoulder. Repeat my movements. To be honest, the hands are always the most difficult, but with experience you get better and better, so just keep drawing. Finish the right fist, and then the arm. Now we move on to the left fist. Some small strokes. And finish the spike. Then we move on to the sneakers. Draw a half circle on the right side and the same one on the left. Then two little curves on either side of the semicircle. Two arcs under those curves. Draw a long curve on the right, a little shorter on the left. Repeat for the left sneaker. Two long wavy lines, also on the left and right. A small curve below this line, as I show. Continue drawing the sneakers, follow my steps, and you'll do well. Small triangles on the right and left. Now let's color our Sonic. First, take a big black marker to color most of it. It will be faster that way. Next, let's finish drawing some points. To do this, we're going to use a regular marker again, two curves above the eyebrows, and four curves on each spike. Then color the bottom of the spikes with black, like I'm showing you, and color the whole head above the eyes. Leave the area around the mouth white for now. Make the eyes red, as well as the parts of the spikes that we didn't color. Color wrists with the same red, the tops and soles of the sneakers. Then take a yellow marker and color the areas underneath the red, like I'm showing you. Color the sole of the sneakers with black. Color the inside of Sonic's ears and face with beige marker. Next, make the nose black. Next, draw shadows in the eyes using a light gray marker. Add shadows on his chest with the same marker. And under his fists, right and left. Also add shadows to his sneakers. Next, make strokes with a white gel pen like I'm showing you. Like this video and subscribe to Art Lab channel. Don't miss new videos. Bye!